So this is my guide for replacing the whatever you call these bearings for the propeller shaft on a Volkswagen T5. I think this procedure is the same, almost the same on the T4, only this got 3 parts I think. Anyhow, the main difficulty you're gonna face is getting these off from underneath the car, and from the back and the front part of the, what you might call it. Anywho, on the inside it looks like this, and it goes inside a bigger part. So all you have to do is loosen the bolts, the 3 hex screws, and then you need to use one of these bad boys. And once you're done with that, you need to it'll come loose, but it'll be proper on there. So you're gonna have to use some CRC spray or WD-40 and then just bang on it, maybe heat up the other part, then it'll come loose. Then you can go ahead and cut off these suckers with an angle grinder, and then you can replace them with the new ones. So more to come.